All right, everybody, we're here on the Chickahominy River. Got a little club derb today, so we're gonna see what we can get to. We just got to our first spot. It's been off and on raining, so I don't know if I'll be able to leave the cameras on the whole day, but I'll try to give you a breakdown of what's going on and everything like that throughout the day. But we're gonna get to fishing. We're gonna start with a buzz bait. Bluegill. Man. Feel good. Boom. Them little perks, they pull you. That's just a big old perch. That's something that's probably 12 inches long. I didn't caught two giant ones. Yeah. Fishing the ends. I mean, you would think that if they're in there, though, you would eventually think the bass would bite. You know? Oh shit! What the hell do I got? Might be a damn striper. I'm gonna have a blast. I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna come out here and just fish all day. Yeah, no, that's a good striper. It's probably, shit, it's long. I can tell you that. Probably 5 pounds. Presto, spinner plug. Boom, got me a striper. Get on the phone with Carlton and actually catch something worth catching. Striper. That ain't no keeper. Caught us a bass. I don't think it's a keeper. If it is, we got problems. Nope. Number one. Thank God. Holy shit. That was unexpected. For two. Finally, number 2. Number 3. That ain't long enough. Gosh. Ow. That hurt. I got 5. Number 5, but that one ain't much. Smallest one of them all. Yes, that's cool. Now that is a coal. That's what we're looking for. Oh my God. All right, we need to weigh these. That's definitely the smallest. £8, 3 ounces. That's what we have right now. Well, got our call. That was a good one. That was a good call. It was a good move coming over here. We don't have too long. It's 2:10. Probably fish for another 20 minutes. Bye guys. caught another one. This one ain't gonna help. Yeah, I caught another one. It ain't gonna help me. I think it was the same one that I lost. But he ain't gonna, that ain't gonna help me. What? Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that. Well, everyone, I hope that you liked the video. It was a decent day for someone who hadn't been up there in forever, so I didn't feel very comfortable running all the, shallow waters and stuff like that. I needed to actually go up there and I need to just practice some so I can actually learn these backwaters and everything up here at this body of water on the Chick. I hope to be able to maybe fish some BFLs next year, which that would definitely probably be one I'd have to fish up there. So I'm gonna do some more tournaments up there, not necessarily tournaments, just going up there and practicing. I just need to spend some time up there. But I had a really fun day. I caught some fish, but just not that bag that the Chick is known for. But with that being said, I hope you like what you've seen in this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you on the water.